Alright, so I don't know if you don't remember, I did a unboxing a few weeks ago on a drone I purchased, and I used it for a couple of weeks. I figured, okay, I kind of mastered the drone capability, so I went on Amazon and ordered a new drone. Just want to unbox it for you. I'll give you a quick review. Once again, I bought this one. I don't know if you remember one of my other videos, but I bought the vacuum cleaner where I found some refurbished things, things that have been returned. So I made a good deal out in the vacuum cleaner, so I figured I would do the same deal with the Ruko here. This has been used before, of course, or at least it's been purchased before, maybe not used, and someone returned it, and it said it was in pretty good condition, so I'm going to open it up and make sure everything here looks good. But I'll put a link below in the description here, but I saved at least $40 off this thing. I think it's regular price $99. I paid 50 something for it. So and trying to upgrade my drones, I think is a good buy, where I'm not spending the $99, right? And if I like the drone, I can always upgrade it to other models. But if I don't like it, it's only a $50 investment, really. So let's open it up and see. You can tell it's been at least purchased before. Tapes all over here. Let me grab a. Like I said, this is the Ruko B7 4K drone, and you can look it up online and get the specs for it. I'm sure they'll have specs in here as well. Like I said, it's been inspected through Amazon, and so we'll see here the condition it's in when we open it up. Alright, so that got that open. Let's take a look and see what we have here. On the top of the box there is you see clearly here, there's a quick start guide, which would be probably very, very helpful. Also, one of the good things I like about this one, it came with a case, which is always pretty cool when you have a drone. It comes with a nice case that you can use. You don't have to go out and purchase one yourself. Alright, opening up the case, there is the attachments here. There are your extra chargers here. There are also extra blades here, and the universal trusty drill needed mini screwdriver. Here's the quick start guide, which is here. So that's good to keep handy. It fits inside the box here. There's also the instructions as well, and they look like they're in pretty good condition, so that's good. We get to the drone itself. There is a battery that comes with it, which is cool. May end up ordering another one. I'll test this battery out first to see. It's always good to have two batteries when we have a drone. And there's the remote here, the antennas to go this way. Just like it's in pretty good condition. I mean, I don't see any scratches or any heavy marks on it, so that's not bad. And the drone itself is, if you look packaged deeply into the case here, which I really love the case idea. That makes it so much easier to keep things nice. And the case is pretty cool. The drone itself, it's a foldable, the folded and unfolded. And there's a way you do it. I think it's like A first, then B, and then, oh, sorry, go back. So that B goes out, so both A's go out first. You can look and see there's markings on each one here. This is an A, and then there's an A. Maybe the B goes out first. B goes out, yeah, and then the A. So there's the drone itself. It's in pretty good condition. No real marks or anything on it. Here's the camera located on the front. Like I said, it is 4K. I really want to test it out and get it out in the open here to see how it operates. But there's instructions on each fan here, or each blade, and how to install it. You can see the bottom says 4K. Actually, Discovery here It's just something cool. I didn't see it, but there's an extra battery at the bottom of the case here. So there does come with 2 batteries. If I can get this out. So it comes with 2 batteries. That's good. So you already got 2 batteries. So basically you got everything you need to go. You got 2 batteries. You got your drone. It's pretty lightweight. It's pretty cool. Easy to open. Let's see if we can close it up. Make it seem easy to close too. So I'm going to go with closing this first. Then close this first. Then I'm going to close this first. Then I'm going to close this one next. And there you go. You got it back down to where it can fit inside your case easily. And this case here is pretty. When things get in this case, they're not coming out. I mean, like I had to pull the second battery out. It was way deep down. So that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to review this. As long as everything works, this is a great deal. It looks really, really good. I saved half the price. I'll put the link in the description below. I really want to get it outside, really get the battery charged and try it out. So I'll do a follow-on video once I get everything ready to go. But like I said, just wanted to do the unboxing of the Ruko B7K 4K drone. And I've heard really good reviews about it. You can go on Amazon. There's a lot of other demos on it if you want to watch, if you can't wait for mine. But definitely I want you to take a look at mine too. If you had this drone before and you like it or you dislike it, please put the comments below. Definitely want to hear your experience. This is my second drone, so I'm still at getting into out of the novice into the intermediate level. So I like to know, like, is this a good second drone to have? And then also too, moving forward, the next move from here up, what would it be? What would you recommend? Cool, thanks everybody. We'll try to post another video here in a couple of weeks on actually going out here and using this thing. All right, everybody be safe. Take care.